So in this tutorial, I will show you how to see old iMessages without scrolling on iPhone. Go to your message app and go to the chat or iMessage conversation. And now to view old message in this conversation without scrolling, all you have to need just tap at the top right corner of the screen, and that's how you will be able to easily load old message in conversation. So I'm going to opening the conversation again, and as you can see, just tapping on at the top right corner, and then you will directly jump into your first message in iMessage conversation. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.